welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing Dollar Tree DIYs Part 2. So first off, I'm going to be taking this wooden crate and just washing it down and then going to sand it. I'm sanding all the corners to make them flat. And for my second coat, I'm going to be using white acrylic paint that I also got from the Dollar Tree. It's super simple. You can find it at any craft store, your local Dollar Tree, Target, any retail store. Now I'm going to be adding a dash of pink to my white paint to make a light/bright pink. Now I'm going to be adding a black/see-through ribbon around the entire rim of the container. Now I'm going to be adding a handle of ribbon so you can make this a hanging planter or a hanging storage solution. Thanks for watching. Subscribe down below and give this video a like if you liked it.